In your quest for the ultimate side hustle, or perhaps even your primary income stream if you're playing your cards right, you're bound to encounter a myriad of options. As you contemplate where to allocate your hard-earned capital to reap the most fruitful rewards, you've undoubtedly observed the surging popularity of two juggernauts in the world of wealth creation: e-commerce enterprises and real estate investments. But with choices aplenty, how do you decide? Join us in this video as we dissect the pros and cons of these two titans, guiding you toward the wisest allocation of your precious time and money. The E-commerce Odyssey. E-commerce, in its simplest form, is the art of buying and selling goods through the vast expanse of the internet. This digital marketplace extravaganza can manifest through a plethora of channels, from the casual browsing realms of Facebook Marketplace to the sophisticated e-commerce empires of Shopify stores. Navigating the real estate frontier. Real estate investment unfolds as a captivating dual narrative, composed of rental income and equity. You step into this world by acquiring a piece of tangible paradise, be it a quaint single-family abode, a sprawling apartment complex, or even a sleek condominium. Here's where the magic happens. You lease it out to eager tenants who, in essence, become your allies in paying off that mortgage. Meanwhile, your property steadily appreciates, bestowing you with a generous helping of equity over time. The beauty of this game lies in its potential for exponential growth. The revenue from one successful property venture can effortlessly fuel your quest to acquire more, snowballing your real estate empire. When executed with precision, this becomes the quintessential model for generating passive income, promising a roadmap to unparalleled financial prosperity. Intrigued yet? Stick around as we delve deeper into the heart of e-commerce and the realm of real estate investments, uncovering hidden gems and unmasking the secrets that no one else will tell you. Deciphering your investment path. In the realm of wealth creation, versatility often reigns supreme. The notion that you must tether yourself to a single avenue of income doesn't necessarily hold water in the grand scheme of success. However, given the constraints of time and resources, it's prudent to begin your journey by strategically allocating your capital where it can yield the most bountiful returns. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery, pitting two financial powerhouses against each other: e-commerce and real estate. By examining the advantages and drawbacks of each, you'll be better equipped to make an informed decision about where to channel your investments. Unveiling the advantages of e-commerce. Empowering control. If autonomy and self-reliance are your goals, few avenues compare to the world of e-commerce. Here, you wield absolute dominion over your schedule, navigating your entrepreneurial journey on your terms. Your decisions flow from your insights, allowing you to craft a business strategy that aligns with your vision. This level of control stands in stark contrast to the realm of real estate, where numerous uncontrollable variables can sway the course. Fueling passion. E-commerce, with its sprawling inventory of millions of products, offers a unique canvas for your passions. Entry with less investment. The threshold for entry into e-commerce is refreshingly low compared to the towering capital demands of real estate. Picture this. You can kickstart your very own Amazon store with as little as $5K to $10K. This not only mitigates risk but also minimizes potential losses when compared to high-stakes real estate investments. Skyrocketing scalability. E-commerce's defining attribute lies in its limitless scalability. The horizons are boundless, extending internationally, and your product inventory can soar to unprecedented heights. Particularly when you employ automation tools like the Amazon Fulfillment Center, the journey can evolve into a goldmine of passive income, offering financial rewards that know no bounds. Challenges encountered in e-commerce. Taming the digital landscape. In the digital realm, you must dance to the tune of algorithms and platform regulations. The ever-changing Google algorithm can necessitate constant adjustments to your marketing strategies, while platforms like Amazon guard the coveted buy button with vigilance. To thrive, you must master the rules of engagement within your chosen platform. Navigating product selection. The quest for the perfect product can prove a formidable challenge, consuming time and resources in fruitless product testing. Success hinges on discovering the sweet spot where demand intersects with limited supply, ensuring healthy profit margins. Seek out products that resonate with a broad audience but remain in short supply, an artful balance that eludes many. Unveiling the strengths of real estate. Tangible foundations. In the realm of real estate, your business is anchored firmly in the physical world, impervious to the capricious whims of the digital realm. Your dealings transpire in the tangible sphere, where you connect with realtors and tenants face to face. Unlike e-commerce, your product isn't susceptible to the crashes caused by elusive bugs or sudden algorithmic shifts. The tax haven. Among the allurements of real estate, tax benefits stand as a towering attraction. Owning property grants you access to a treasure trove of write-offs and returns that elude many other business ventures. As you amass properties, you'll find yourself in the good graces of the government, reaping even greater fiscal rewards. Embracing passivity. While e-commerce touts itself as a passive income stream, real estate takes it up a notch on the passivity scale. Once you've secured your property and enlisted the services of a capable property manager, the lion's share of day-to-day operations falls under their purview. You can ease into a hands-off approach, dedicating your time to scouting and acquiring additional properties or exploring new entrepreneurial endeavors. Challenges on the real estate horizon. The capital conundrum. Real estate demands substantial financial muscle. The entry fee is steep, requiring a sizable capital infusion. Even with financing, you'll need ready cash for earnest money, down payments, unforeseen repairs, and sundry unexpected expenses associated with physical property ownership. This can be a daunting hurdle if your coffers aren't brimming. Playing the long game. Real estate investments are akin to a marathon rather than a sprint. Unlike the relatively swift returns in e-commerce, building equity in real estate is a deliberate and time-intensive process. After the initial purchase and requisite repairs, not to mention the portion of rental revenue dedicated to the mortgage, substantial profits often remain on the distant horizon. Navigating human complexities. While e-commerce occasionally contends with dissatisfied customers, real estate plunges you into the realm of human dynamics and their living spaces. Property issues can swiftly consume your time and financial resources, and the risks inherent in managing these human-centric ventures are a consideration that accompanies your real estate journey. The million-dollar dilemma. When you stand at the crossroads of investment and entrepreneurship, pondering the path that will define your financial future, it's only prudent to weigh the scales of advantages and disadvantages. Yet, amidst the analytical exercise, remember this: comfort plays a pivotal role. Have you navigated the intricate landscape of real estate before? If so, that might just be your calling. Perhaps the thought of human interactions leaves you cold. In that case, e-commerce beckons. Do you find yourself wielding substantial capital? Real estate could be your arena. Seeking a lower-risk venture? E-commerce may hold the answer. Ultimately, it's about commitment. Whether you tread the real estate avenue or embark on the e-commerce journey, success thrives on dedication. The choice is yours, and in your unwavering pursuit, prosperity awaits. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of two financial powerhouses. If you're intrigued by the art of investment and wealth creation, we have another captivating video waiting for you. Simply click on the screen to dive into the world of real estate versus Bitcoin, uncovering insights that could reshape your financial future. Click now and let the journey continue. Thank you.